You wouldn't believe what happened when Tommy tried to hold in a sneeze during silent reading time. So there's Tommy, trying so hard to be quiet, eyes watering, nose twitching, you know that struggle. But then, PFFFD. The sneeze explodes right onto the kid in front of him, except it wasn't just a sneeze. Their wig from school picture day flew off. The class goes wild, the wig bounces off the whiteboard, and the teacher, holding back laughter, says, "Well, that's one way to clear your nose." Cue the entire class losing it. What's the funniest thing that ever happened to you in class? Drop your story below.